right, welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal with you in the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants, and I have a huge smile on my face because we are welcoming back Amena. Amena, you were with us about a year ago. Even though
Yes.
you look like a different person now, it is you, and wow, those results are incredible. Tell us what you think.
It was a good experience.
Yeah, good.
The first day I had like a lot of swelling. I looked very
like an
very
alien,
crazy.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But it went down in a couple of days, and
Good.
within like 3 or 4 days, I went back to work,
Yeah.
and it just
And that was
grew
it.
out. Like
Yeah.
that.
Sometimes the toughest part is just waiting, but it looks awesome.
Yeah.
It looks really, really good. And you were saying some of your coworkers were so it said something looked different about you and kind of whispered to you what you do. Yeah.
What have you done?
Right. Oh, it looks fantastic. It looks great. And you had done an SMP prior, and we went over it. And when you pull the hair back, you had a couple pictures that you sent me earlier. Pull your hair back. Obviously it's more full when you grow it out and looks incredible. This can give you some more options that you can wear your hair in different styles and that sort of stuff, which is fantastic. And you look great.
Yeah.
It looks really nice. No issues with the back and the scar in the back at all.
I can't see it at all.
Okay. Good.
I can only feel it in like certain places,
Mm-hmm.
but other than that, like I can't. It's hard to find.
Yeah, good. Well, that's the way it should be. Excellent. Well, do me a favor. I'm going to have you. We're going to overlay, like I said, we're going to overlay your before pictures on top. So just kind of put your head forward a little bit, look down 2 or 3 seconds, hold it there, and then pick a side, either side, and just turn to right or left and hold it for 2 or 3 seconds. Wow. Wow. And then other direction, 2 or 3 seconds. That looks incredible. All right. Very good. Very good. Amena, I can't say enough. It's stunning. It's wonderful.
Yeah, I'm happy.
That's great. It's great. Your smile shows it all. Any words of advice? Somebody, checking it out and coming across, or kind of been waiting for a couple of years, kind of nervous about it. What would you recommend?
Stop waiting.
Yeah.
Stop waiting and get it done.
Good. Awesome.
It's worth it.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your story. Hopefully you'll inspire somebody else, and you're passing it along to people that you were helped out, and you're sort of passing it forward. So, or paying it forward. Thanks for doing this. This is fantastic.
Thank you.
All right. Talk to you soon. Take care.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.